so good, but we're so full because this was filling. We got the variety joint. And let me tell y'all something. These drinks, if y'all can hear me because it's so loud in here. But, ooh. Sis, let me tell you something. These drinks, these are, baby, let me see the menu, please. The happy hour. Yo. These happy hours, we got the lime margarita, and for extra $3, we got the Cadillac, which is extra tequila and orange liqueur. This is the best margarita, happy hour margarita I've ever had. Like my husband said the same thing. It is delicious, y'all. So kudos to Blue Habanero. You guys rock.